Now, I just saw this thing with Trump going to the White House, sitting there with Biden, and of course Biden is some transition of power. We're going to have a peaceful thing, and we're going forward, and So what we have about an abundance, what's going on with it? There's new actions, and the fight is not done yet. The contest is not over. The fight is not over. There's an abundance of things yet to come. Okay? Now, Biden is a statesman. He's going to sit there and, go through the motions of what everything is supposed to look like, what it's supposed to be. So the energy coming into this is the ripeness. The fruit is ripening, okay? And we have, again, Kamala and counting the cost. Looking at all these things, step by step, all the things that are coming in. What's going on now is the fight behind the scenes. We have this charging forward and looking at what is being offered up, okay? The challenge is a breakthrough. She's got to get all the evidence, have it all in hand. I keep getting this one with her. The cards I get for Kamala all the time are the Pentacles, holding on to what actually took place, wanting to make this a better thing, of course. Wanting this breakthrough, that's the challenge. And with her, I always get the Pentacle, holding on to the Pentacle, got that, grounded information, holding on to it, the Sword of Truth, and then energy. She is that energy. She's holding that on place. So the outcome is about the dirty politics, okay? And having to have a mask as he's going through this, at the door, defending, and then again, offering and prayers for things to go forward in a healthy way. And he understands the dynamics of the dirty politics, and he is, again, holding the energy and, again, protecting. Underneath of it all, they're looking at the participation. We have Kamala, yet again, the Sword of Truth. And perhaps there are those coming forward in a confessional, maybe somebody coming forward, a whistleblower with it, okay? And so that's what they're doing. Underneath of it all, they're going through the motions that one would go through. Meanwhile, underneath of it, the investigations are going, the fight is still on. But, Biden has a lot more discipline than does Trump. Okay? Trump is all, oh, yeah, good, we got that, got it, everything's going smooth. I'm behind the scenes, I'm getting my henchmen in place, okay? And Biden's doing what he needs to do as a statesman, okay? And so that's what I get, what happened today at the White House. Now, of course, they're supposed to have the women, the first ladies, get together as well. But of course, Melania, I'm not going, snubbing her nose and, can't. So let's see what's going on with that. What about the first ladies and Melania refusing to come? I don't know how anybody could say Melania was a good first. She spent time decorating the thing, didn't want to do the Christmas, so she did everything blood red, okay? Goes out, I don't care, Okay, I don't care. Her big campaign, she speaks 7 languages, but her campaign was be best. Be best. So, what's going on with this? So, this is about democracy. King of Cups also could be Biden, the Biden administration. Okay. Feeling judged. Okay. Feeling judged by the Biden administration and tuning in. So she's tuning in, and she's got all these things in the background, and her judgment and her drama going on. So that's Melania. She's got these ghosties behind her with judgment, that if she goes, she would be judged. Okay, so she's not going. I'm just not going. So we have, pull this. So the energy of this is about the possibilities. We've got the Emperor for her husband who would be king. And yeah, the death. Okay, the ending, possibilities of endings. And also just her not wanting to participate in anything. Okay, this is Melania feeling judged, doesn't want to participate. I'm just there, and I'm in this casket, and I'm looking good, and I'm looking fabulous, and that's it. And I'm waiting to see my husband will be king, etc. So it's about the ordinariness. That's what's going on today. Ordinariness. The Knight of Pentacles, where this is moving forward long term, and it's just really going kind of very slow, nowhere when it comes to her. We've got self-flagellation, okay, and just not going anywhere. So really within herself, she's not a happy person, okay? She's ordinary, and things are not going quickly. Her challenge is, underneath of it, the MAGA clan, the family, her challenge, the conditioning, okay? She's got a lot of baggage, okay? She's got a lot of baggage. And wounded. Okay, she's got a lot of baggage. She's not moving forward well with things. She's, with an outcome of mind spin, not a surprise. She's got a lot of mind spin going. 10 of Swords, all this stuff raining down on her. Mentally, and she's really inside her mind rehashing, reliving things, self-flagellation, feeling judged, just as not, as much as she wants to appear confident, she's not, okay? She's tuning in with this, all this baggage going behind her about possibilities, how ordinary she is, how conditioned her conditioned stuff is, and her mind spin is going on, okay? She looks at the Biden administration and her husband wanting to be a dictator. Things are not going quickly with stuff. She kind of stays stuck in a pattern, and her challenges her family. I think it's her son, and again, all of this thoughts raining down on her that she can't get out of, okay? That she cannot get out of. So let's see what's underneath of it real quick. It's about slowing down when it comes to these messages that she wants to hear the truth, but being the vampire, just sucking everything dry. You know, maybe she's feeling she's not getting as much as she was before, okay? So that's what I get for Melania and why she doesn't want to meet with Jill Biden. I'm sure that she feels quite inferior to Jill Biden, okay? And she's in a lot of mind spin and drama, okay? So that's what I'm getting with that. So on that note, I'll leave that here. We'll see you online.